Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have batteries and the keyboard. Start now. Remove the receiver from the bottom slot or open Bluetooth on your PC/phone. Insert 2 AAA batteries, making sure the polarity matches, then flip the power switch to on. Watch the keyboard LED blink or stay steady. This indicates transmit mode. If using a receiver, keep it plugged into a USB port. If using Bluetooth, make your device discoverable. Once done, move to pairing or plugging steps. Now complete the connection. If you have the small USB receiver, plug it into a free USB port and wait about 5 to 10 seconds for the driver to initialize, then test keys. If you prefer Bluetooth, open Device Bluetooth settings, select Zebronics Keyboard from the list, and accept any pairing prompts. You'll know pairing succeeded when typing characters appear on screen. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your device settings. Adjust language or layout if keys produce unexpected symbols. Next, finalize preference. Finish by setting your preferred keyboard layout and repeat rate in your operating system. Test multimedia and function keys to confirm full functionality. If the keyboard doesn't respond, power it off for 5 seconds, then power on and repair or reinsert the receiver. Also try fresh batteries. If issues persist, move the receiver closer, within 1 to 2 meters, and away from metal objects or USB 3.0 ports which can interfere. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.